Hello guys and welcome to the Just Digital. Today you'll be learning how to use the YouTube Studio and things you can do from the YouTube Studio. Let's dive in. For you to use the YouTube Studio, you need to head to your channel. So how do you head to your channel? Just go to youtube.com. Once you open youtube.com, make sure you're signed into your YouTube channel. On your right hand side, you see Studio. Just click on Studio. It opens. It will be taking you to the dashboard. The dashboard is the area where you see the whole activity going on your channel. For instance, you see this is the recent video I just uploaded how to create a YouTube channel, and I will want you to watch this video and also subscribe to this channel. So this is all the analysis you see on the dashboard. Latest video performance. So you see the number of views, number of comments, number of likes, the number of subscribers, the number of watch hours, all the activities on your dashboard. So the next is content. Content will show you the overall content loaded on your channel. On this channel, you see this video, see this other video. This is just in the draft. I've not uploaded this video yet. This is my content area. You'll see the videos I've uploaded, and also you'll see the number of views, number of comments, and also you can scroll down to the number of likes. The next is the analytics. In this place, you will be able to get number of views from a video, not just a video. If you uploaded many videos, you can see the total number of views your channel have gotten, total number of watch hour for the video. You see the subscribers, number of subscribers. You can scroll down. I only have one video that I've uploaded on this channel. Now you can go to content. From content, you can see the number of impressions. There are 46 views, 354 impressions, 3.4 click-through rate, and this is the average duration. Now when you scroll down, you can see from where your audience are coming from. Now this is the browser feature, external, direct, unknown, and the rest. So this is how you know. And impression has to do with the number of people that have seen your video. Maybe as they are searching on YouTube, you get to see your video impression, but didn't click on the video. Now the click-through rate has to do with the number of people that have, amount of people that have clicked. So the percentage is the total number of click divided by the number of impression times 100. That's how you get the click-through rate impression. Then the average view, the number of views. That means people watching the video. Once they take each person's view, let's say a person watch your video for 2 minutes and another watch your video for 3, another watch for 5, another watch for 10. So it will be a combination of all the average watch time divided by the total number of people that have viewed your video. So the next is audience, and with this you'll be able to see your audience, their age, their location, the number of people that played your video using subtitle, geography, Nigeria. This is where people watch my video from the most. You can check the number of unique viewers, people that viewed your video, and the rest. You can also check the number of subscribers, the video. This video brought me 6 subscribers. Let's look at the research. So it is from this place you can make research using words. Maybe I want to create a video on how to cook rice or fried rice. I can just search it here and see the number of volumes of people that are searching for that word. Okay, you see how to cook fried rice. I have a very high search volume. So let's go to comment. So from comments, you'll be able to see every comment, the ones that have been published, the ones that are held for review. So we don't have much comments on my channel. I have to go to the next, which is subtitles. Subtitle is very useful. It also helps to engage people. As you're watching on your video, they can be reading through your content. There are subtitles, and this is where you can add the subtitle by clicking on this. So once you click on this, you'll be able to add subtitles. So if you look at this, I want to add the subtitle for China, the Chinese language, the French, the Arabic, and the rest. If I want to add Spanish, just look for, you see, Spanish. I just click on Spanish. Then I would have to add the description and some of the other things in that language. Then I'll add the subtitle. You understand, right? So that's how you can go about that. So I'm not adding that for now. Then the next is the copyright. The copyright has to do with the video you upload on your channel. If it is someone else's content and it has a copyright issue, you'll be seeing it will be showing. If it is affected, you see it will show affected. But for this my video I've uploaded, there is no copyright issue. Everything is okay. The next, let's look at N. N has to do with you becoming a YouTube partner, signing up for YouTube partner program. But there are some certain things you need to do. How do you begin to earn money from YouTube. You have to reach 1,000 subscribers. You have to get 4,000 watch hour of your video under 365 days, short views. Then you have to do your two-step verification and the rest. So this is what you need to accomplish for you to be able to earn money from YouTube. The next is the customization. From this area, you can customize the look of your channel and customize the way you want your channel to look. I've explained this in my first video on how to create a YouTube channel. I made mention of this. I'll be putting the link so that you can get the whole gist about that. So the outlook has to do with the way you want your channel to look. Then the branding has to do with your logo, your banner, the watermark. The next is the basic info. The basic info has to do with your channel name, your channel handle, just like you have handle for Twitter, channel handle, then a description about your channel, then your channel URL, your links. This is your links. So I have a link to my website and also to one of my shopping websites, an e-commerce store I have, and the rest. The next is the audio library. This has a tons of audio you can use and save and download it and make use of them on your YouTube. Okay, so these are tools and I'll be explaining about these tools in my videos. I'll be creating a video about YouTube SEO and I'll be telling you the importance of these tools called vidIQ and how you can use it to rank on YouTube. The next is the settings. Setting has to do with how you want to, general way you want to configure your channel. Okay, since we know that we can earn money from YouTube, which currency do you want your money to be in? I want my money to be dollar. You want your money to be in pounds, and the rest you can just set it from here. Then the next is the channel. Once you click on this channel, there are some certain things I will also want to talk to you about. You see, this is the basic info, the advanced settings, and eligibility features. Let's look at this basic info. The basic info has a place where you can put keywords. Now, let me explain to you what keywords are. Now, people search for terms on YouTube. They search for maybe WordPress web design, Canva, video editing, and you want your channel to have those keywords featured in it. So what you need to do is to add words on your channel where people can be able to search for things and your channel will pop out. So that's why you see me putting all these words here. And if you notice, they said keywords. The next is the advanced settings. From these advanced settings, you'll be able to set what you want. Okay, is this your video for children, not for children? You can do that and everything will be okay. And the next is the Google Ads account linking, where you link your ad account to your YouTube channel, and when you run ads, you use your YouTube channel in order to perform the ads. For now, I'm not linking it, but subsequently I'll be showing you how to do the linking and what you need to do in order to link your YouTube to your Google Ads account if you want to run ads on YouTube. And the automated or the automatic caption. If you want, you can use an automatic caption. What is the meaning of an automatic caption? YouTube has this feature where people can see caption on your channel. Automatically, they will help you generate caption as you speak. Like as I'm speaking like this, they will just give the caption and everybody will have this connection to your video as they watch your video. Then once you are doing automatic caption, you can moderate it. And how do you moderate it? Is by coming to this channel settings. Under the advanced settings, you will see a place where you can, like, let's say I'm saying a negative word, maybe I made mistake and use the F word. I can decide to say YouTube should not show words that are not appropriate to be used, so YouTube will remove those inappropriate words. Now you can also disable adverts, but if you disable this, once you start earning money, there are some things that will stop showing the ads. There are ways you earn money on YouTube which has to do with YouTube ad revenue sharing. So, and if you disable this, what will happen is, if you select this option, look at what they said: personalized ad will not be shown on videos on your channel, such as ad based on a viewer's interest or a marketing ad. This may significantly reduce your channel revenue. So that's why I will not advise you to turn this on. If you see, they are even telling you from what is under it. And the clips allow viewers to clip your content. You can do that. So this is for this future eligibility. Now you see I've been able to do standard feature to upload video. And this is enable. The next is the intermediate feature, video over 15 minutes, custom thumbnail and live. I'm enabled. The next is the advanced feature, and this has to do with me able to do live stream. And for me to be able to do this, there are three ways I can do it. One is using the video verification, where I would verify my face and everything, and YouTube will grant me access to go live. The next is the ID verification, where I will use my ID card issued by the government to do it, which is the second option. And the last option is after 2 months, my channel is now fully verified by YouTube and I can go live. So those are the three ways. The next is the upload features. For instance, if I want to upload a video on my channel and I don't want to stress myself, I can just give YouTube, this would be the title, my description I want to use for my channel, but I won't advise you to use this. Why will I say I won't advise you to use this? Imagine I'm to create a video on how to make fried rice and I put how to tie a shoe. That's what I put here, and I give a description. So anytime I want to upload videos on YouTube, this description I'm giving here and the title I give here will automatically be the ones YouTube will upload. That's why you see they say the upload default, and I like leaving it empty because I have different contents I will be making, so each of them should have their own unique title and also their own unique description. Then the next is the advanced settings. Now the advanced settings has to do with YouTube standard licensing. You can create a category for your video. If it is comedy, if it is educational, you can keep it as educational. Then your language, video language, you can decide to say, okay, this video language for my channel is English. You can put that as English. So you select English. Then the caption, certification, you can say this video has not or has never been aired before. Then the title, description, language also are in English. I speak English. Yeah, English. So this has to do with the comment. The next is the comment. So you can decide to say allow all comments, meaning you want any kind of person, any kind of comment to be done on your channel. Okay, I want somebody to, even he's saying things that are not appropriate. But for me, I always like keeping it as hold potential inappropriate comments for review, so I can review the comments before it is being posted on my channel. And that's what I really want to do. And you can decide to say, okay, you want it to be strict in the sense that you don't want any kind of comments to be done on your channel. You can decide to hold all comments for review. Then after the whole comments has been held, now, okay, I want this not to be, I want this to be. You can disable comment, meaning nobody can make a comment on your channel. The next I want to talk about is permission. So permission has to do with the owner of your channel, but you can still invite somebody to manage your YouTube channel by clicking on this invite button. You understand that I'm the owner, George Jesus. My name is David George, and I'm the owner of this YouTube channel. The next is community. So you can create a community, give the community a name, give it some features, what you want to blog and everything. For now, I don't have any community, but as I grow this channel, I'll be creating a community where all of us will interact and share our concerns and topics you want me to talk and treat. I'll be creating a video how to create PayPal account as a Nigerian. I'll be creating a video how to edit videos and make your video very interesting for viewers to see. This is default, and on default, your channel has some potentially inappropriate words to be held so that people do not make mess of your community. So the next is agreement. So now you see all use of services is subject to YouTube terms of service, and this is it. So just click on save and you are good to go. So feel free to ask me any question you want to ask me. You feel you want to know more about anything, like I teach on WordPress, I teach on affiliate marketing, I teach on SEO, I teach on how to create blog posts, I teach on different topics that relates to digital skills, and feel free to ask me any question in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. So if you want to upload your video before I call it a day, if you want to upload your video, just click on create. Once you click on create, you have 4 options there. So the first is upload video. Upload video means you have a video you want to upload on your channel. The next is go live. Go live has to do with you speaking to your audience using live stream. You can create a playlist where people can see different contents with different names. So I am creating a playlist for YouTube. I can just call the name of the playlist YouTube. Then I'll have all videos that are related to YouTube in the playlist. Then the last is new podcast. So YouTube has this feature where you can do live podcast and share things with your audience using the podcast. So you can use that for doing the podcast. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, share this video, and leave your comments. Ask me any questions on any part you are not cleared on. I will be uploading a video on how to edit video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.